Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. Right now, crypto is not having its best day, as yesterday the Federal Reserve did announce that they would be raising interest rates by 50 basis points, and the market did rally. However, it was a bull trap, and now today the market has wiped out all of those gains and more. So in this video, I'll be hopping into the charts to give you my take on how to play the current cryptocurrency market. If that does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the very end of this video. Without further ado, let's get right into the content and let the gains be with you. So to start off this video, let's take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap. At the current moment in time, the overall market cap is $1.68 trillion, down around 4% on the day. Bitcoin is trading at $36,790, down about 6% on the day. ETH trading at $2,740, and as you can see, everything is red at the moment. And yesterday, the Federal Reserve did have the FOMC meeting where they did announce that they would be raising interest rates here in the US by half of a point. And you can read this headline right here. Fed raises interest rates by half a point and market takes off. Classic bait right here by the mainstream. And as you can see, this was indeed a major bull trap. Now taking a look at the Bitcoin price chart, looking at the daily, you can see this huge red candle today. And this is still ongoing. There is still about 6 hours left in the trading day. So we're going to see what does actually happen here. However, this huge move downwards was not a surprise to me at all. I actually went ahead and shorted it, as you can see right here in the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group. This was posted yesterday at 3:06 p.m. an unedited post saying that I'm going to go ahead and short right here. Layered my entries up to $40,280. Tight stop, and as you can see, we caught the absolute top with our first entry here at $39,945. To current price, this short is now in a profit of around 8%. So of course, factor in the leverage, and you can see that this was a beautiful executed trade. Now, if you don't want to miss the next trade, head on over to www.cryptoempireco.io and go ahead and join the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group, where you get my daily market analysis as well as all of my trades. Nonetheless, what is the current play in the market right now? Well, to keep it very simple, unless you're already short, I would not recommend to be a late shorter right now, as price is now in a demand zone down here. And actually, the Luna Foundation Guard did just announce that they went ahead and purchased $1.5 billion of Bitcoin down here in this demand zone. That's just a few hours ago they announced that news. Nonetheless, right now, unless you're already short, this is a no trade environment, okay? Because there's a few scenarios that can actually happen here. Looking at the daily chart again, you can see where we are on the daily. We're in a huge pocket of demand down here. So we do have to wait and see if we have more serious buyers stepping in down here in this demand level right around $36,000. Now, the three scenarios that can really happen here are buyers hold this demand level. As you can see, this is also the bottom of the massive descending wedge. Price going ahead and testing the bottom support of that wedge. So the three scenarios really are, we have a bounce here. Price makes its way back up, recovers all of its losses back up to around the 40K area. This is really the best bull case scenario here for price to hold this demand zone, make its way back up to the 40K area. You want to see a daily close above 40K, and really the main level for the bulls that needs to be taken out if we're going to see any upwards momentum is up here. Is the 44K resistance level. Unless 44K is taken out, really it's going to be just chop, which is the second scenario that's going to play out possibly. And that's just we continue to consolidate and go range bound, right? I can definitely see that happening, just more choppiness. Right now, the market is still in an overall consolidation. Yesterday, this big pump with the Fed announcing that they're going to be raising interest rates by half of a point, that was already priced in. That was the expected interest rate hike. Okay, so that was already priced in. This move was a clear bull trap, which is why I knew to go ahead and short it. I was waiting for this. I've had this yellow line here on my chart at 39,945 for weeks, right? I know it's a main level. Price pumps right to the level. It's just the perfect bull trap. Anyway, so the second scenario is, of course, we just go range bound. Third scenario, which has a pretty decent probability of happening, is this demand zone down here at 36K doesn't end up holding. Right, there's not enough buyers step in, basic supply and demand. If there's not enough buyers, price will go seek where the buyers are. That would mean price goes ahead and breaks below this wedge support line and goes to lower levels. Now looking at the chart, there is one support level down here at around 35K. As you can see where these candle bodies went ahead and opened and closed. But other than that, there is not much on the chart until really the summertime lows down here at around 32, 33K. Can't really see it on the 3-day, but if I go to a daily chart and we look over here, you can see there is a lot going on around the 32 to 33K area. Okay, so if bulls can't hold the current demand level, there is a good chance that we do go ahead and retest these levels that we haven't seen since July of 2021. And that would really be something. But at this point, with how things are looking, how the market is shaping up, I wouldn't necessarily be surprised if we do see a lower test of this lower demand zone. I've been talking about that for months now on my live streams and my update videos, so it would not be a surprise to me if we did get that. But nonetheless, as I said, unless you're already short, this is really a no trade environment. We have to wait and see how it does shape up. It is very unpredictable. However, I am still short. I'm riding it down. Now looking at ETH. ETH did not actually go ahead and sweep the lows like BTC did. As you can see here on the daily, ETH is still holding this support down here at around $2,700. However, it's in a clear downwards trending channel, okay? So ETH's still in a downtrend. A lot of people are thinking, oh, because ETH didn't break its lows, it's strong, and that's going to give the bulls hope, etc. I wouldn't necessarily say that. Realistically, I would want to see price break out of the channel, then go ahead and close above this level up here, just above 3K. Unless we're closing above this line up here at 3K, it's hard for me to be bullish on ETH, just objectively speaking, looking at the market right now, the way everything is shaping up. Of course, there is still this lower support trend line on ETH. So we're going to see what does happen. Right now, it is still holding at around $2,700. However, ETH in a major downwards sloping channel. Now, looking at the dollar index, the DXY as well, you can see that the dollar is, of course, pumping the inverse correlation when the dollar goes up. Bitcoin, crypto, stocks, they go down. Stocks are getting hammered today as well, right? Still that correlation between stocks and crypto playing out, as well as the inverse correlation with the dollar. And also looking at the stablecoin dominance in the market, this is also looking quite strong, right? All this means is that people are moving their money into stablecoins. When this chart goes down, all that means is people are moving their stable coins into risk-on assets, risk-on cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, altcoins, etc. So also looking at the crypto fear and greed index, we are still in fear. Yesterday we were in extreme fear. Right now we're in regular fear. So this is exactly what is going on with the market right now. There is no real major reason to panic. We have to see how it does shape up. The future is still undecided. The future is decided in real time. So we do have to see if bulls can hold this demand level, the support trend line over here at 36K. If they can, that's great. However, if they can't hold it, there is a good chance that we do go ahead and then start testing the lower demand zone from the summertime correction of 2021. So with all this being said, I did just want to make this a quick video market update, get this out to you guys. I will be releasing some more videos this week in regards to Cosmos ecosystem airdrops, because there are still a lot of airdrops happening nowadays, and that is really just free money. I made videos months ago talking about these airdrops, and now we are able to claim them. So I'll be talking about that, as well as some Terra NFT updates. A lot is still happening in the Terra NFT ecosystem. We are making gains over there as well. So despite all of this bearish price action, all of this choppy price action, there are still opportunities everywhere to make gains. And of course, we are taking advantage of these opportunities, mainly inside of the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group. I would love to see you inside of there. So in this video, we took a look at the cryptocurrency market, and I gave you my technical analysis on the possible scenarios that could play out next. Unless you were already short, this is really a no trade environment, because a lot could happen from here on out, and we have to see how it does actually develop. Anyway, I hope that you did enjoy the video. If you did, make sure you let me know by leaving a like down below. And if you are new to Crypto Empire and you are not already subscribed, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.